Hi you guys, this is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I am coming to you guys today to talk about this vest right here. Hi you guys, it's so good to be back. Good to see you guys. So, as like always, I work it up and we talk about it, right? Okay, so what you guys see before you is the lovely lace vest, right? Beautiful, right? So let's just start talking about it, okay? So what we have here, you know what, but before that, let's get into the supplies, because we need to know, you guys need to know what I was doing, right? So let's get into that. Got my pattern, you guys. This is the pattern right here, okay? And let me see the supplies. Let me put my glasses on because I need my glasses. Okay. Okay, so the entry, the skill level was easy. We have a 6mm hook, and they gave us 135 yards of yarn. Okay, so I had 2 of these right here, and this is what I have left. This is a really nice size chunk of yarn to have. So I guess, I don't know, they don't state like how much one ball is, but I guess if you divide that, you can get like how much one ball is. But yeah, so this is what I have left right here, guys. And let me see what else. Put the glasses on. Okay, and they use a tapestry needle, and the tapestry needle is to join our work together. And that's about it. As far as the supplies that was given to me with the pattern. Okay, so now let's talk about this pattern. Okay, so you guys, it was beautiful. I didn't have any bumps, no lumps, no adventure, none of that with this pattern. It is basically straightforward, which I love. And one of the things that I did really like is that the lacy part right here, it is treble crochet. And I have not worked that up in a minute. So this was really refreshing to actually work this up. And then up here you have your double crochets, and it is worked in 3 pieces, the back and the 2 sides. And I think that is about it. And it was so nice and so just like I said, refreshing to work it up. As you guys saw in the title of this, is that there was an announcement. And the announcement, you guys, is when I work these patterns up, I will be giving the free pattern to you guys to download. It is on my blog, and I will put that in the description box for you guys. So if you would like to work this up, you are more than welcome to go to my blog and download the free pattern to this. And I believe there's another one on there, the little baby cardigan as well, that is on my channel, that you can do that as well. And so I'm excited. I'm excited to know when you guys do work it up. Tag me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Tag me. I would love to see you guys makes. What color did you do yours? And I thought when I got this in the mail, you guys, I thought like, oh my word, you know, this is perfect for summer. On my channel, I have a mesh skirt, and that is for the summer as well. And so I'm gonna pair these 2 together, and I'm gonna have me a really nice outfit. And so yeah, you guys, so I hope that you guys do work it up. It, like I said, is very easy, very you know, free-forming to do, because you can do this I wouldn't say in a day, because, you know, we're so busy with life. But you want, it's like, it's repetitious, which it is, but it comes out so beautifully. So I do hope that you guys do work it up, and I hope you have fun doing it. And yeah, don't forget to go to the blog again. Just reminding you guys, going things through my head, and get your free pattern so you can work it up. That is it for me, you guys. Yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. But remember, when you're working with your hands, you guys, you always have peace within your heart. I wish you guys a beautiful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.